Hi, my name is Angel, and today we're going to be talking about how to get started with digital art. As the title suggests, this video is for people who want to get started with digital art but don't quite know where to begin. So, without further ado, let's get into the first topic of this video. So the first thing you're gonna need is some hardware. And what I mean by hardware is that you're gonna need a tablet. Think of a tablet as an iPad that you can draw on, but it's a lot less expensive than an actual iPad. That being said though, an iPad still can be used as a tablet, but I'll get into that later in the video. So there are two kinds of tablets you're gonna run into on the market. There are graphics tablets and there are drawing tablets. Basically, the main difference between the two is that one has a screen while the other one doesn't. And for this reason, graphics tablets are usually on the lower end of the price scale, while drawing tablets are on the higher end. Some tablets also have some different features like express keys, touch wheels, touch screens, but these features are usually more used for their convenience rather than necessity. Some tablets also boast the high pen pressure sensitivity, but this doesn't really matter all that much since most people can't really tell the difference. So I recommend just getting a regular tablet with no extra features. So for example, the tablet I have is a regular one by Wacom. It's just a basic tablet with no extra features or anything like that. But of course, if you have the budget, you can always go for the more expensive options like the Intuos for example, which has a few express keys on it. There are also different brands of tablets, like Huion, Wacom, XP Pen. Each of these brands offer their own tablets, but I recommend you do your own research to see which tablet would be right for you. So moving on to the next topic of this video, you're also gonna need some software along with your tablet. So there are different software options out there, like Krita and Photoshop. Basically any software that has the ability to draw can be used as your drawing software. But I recommend getting a software that's actually suited for drawing instead of just getting any software. So I'm gonna list some software up on screen right now. And like I mentioned earlier, you can use your iPad or really any device as a drawing tablet, since there are some software available for mobile devices. I'll even list some of those apps on screen right now. Some tablets also already come with software, but I recommend you do your own research on that. So when it comes to software, it really just matters on your preference. I can't really guide you much when it comes to software. I will list some of the software I mentioned here in the description if you want to check those out. Now that you've got your software and your hardware, where do you go from here? So from here I recommend watching some other video tutorials, learning the fundamentals, anatomy, and all that other art stuff. I haven't gotten into these myself yet, so I can't really explain them that much to you, but who knows, I might make a video on these topics later in the future. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.